Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before going to other steps further, I wanted to share you that this first time ever hailstorm was happening on date 13, I guess, as you have seen. It was so sudden and surprising, and it was so beautiful. It was around 12 o'clock at night, and we came out to see. We thought, what voices are these? And then we saw that ice was there, the small drops of ice. You can see some of the pics I have taken. So beautiful and cute. 10 to 11 years ago I had seen hailstorm, and after that this was a day when I saw. It was so sudden and the weather was not like that this would happen. It was next day and I decided to clean all my kitchen shelves and closets and reorganizing everything. After cleaning I am putting the magazines, keeping the papers and magazines down so that it do not get greasy and dirty, and you don't have to clean it in intervals. Frequently you don't have to clean it, so this prevents me from getting it dirty very early. Preparing a cake for my sister. Last time I made, but that did not came out perfect, but in this quarantine time I'm going to make it, and this time it came out very well. The clips I am uploading afterwards, the background voice. So this is the cake which I had baked. The frosting and all was ready. After getting cooled down, I had taken out. Once it's baked, you should keep it for 20 minutes and then you should do. It came out perfect and I'm happy for that. I hope she likes it. Here are some of the clips which I had taken. Dalgona coffee. I thought to share with you all. It was tasty enough. Beautiful roses which was gifted by my brother. They were so fresh and beautiful. Backdrop was also very much good and she liked it, and the cake too. I thought to make it in a good garnishing type and I thought it will come out well, but what we see actually when we are performing it, it is not that easy. So then that was failed and I threw it. So I just scraped some chocolate with knife and it came out very nice. Then I just put it all around and sprinkled some powdered sugar, and it was very tasty. Spent a very good birthday in these lockdown days, and it came out very well and she enjoyed it. Here I am sharing one DIY which is home decor. So keep watching. Using sticks I have used. You can also take some floral flowers which you can make from construction papers, the roses, and stick on each sticks. I have taken here strips of pearls, trying to make it look simple. So I will stick it below. I have some more DIYs on my channel, you can check them too. I have made a playlist out of that. This is also a one-way method to span at home. You can make something and just create your home look beautiful with some creativity, because otherwise you don't get time. So you can utilize your time doing this all activities with children or yourself too. You can also paint sticks alternative color. but I have taken some pearls and sticked on each stands so that it looks same. I wanted to let you know that whichever videos you want, you can directly say. You don't have to hesitate. I will make sure that I make them. And if you want some videos related to studying tutorials, DIYs or cooking recipes or this kind of vlogs, you can share that to me in the comment section, because that is the only way we can interact. I hope you like this DIY, and for more videos please stay connected and subscribe my channel. We will fight this time together and win, but you need to stay at home and take care of your loved ones. Hope you all stay fit and healthy in home. Thank you for watching. Bye.